How to grow plants. We can grow a lot of plants by reusing the leftover materials. You can do this project with zero investment. For this experiment, take a leftover yogurt box. So you have to put a small hole over here. Take another box and put a thermocol inside. I'm going to put the box inside. The excess water will come out. I'm going to fill the top box with garden soil. So it should be like this. So let's start with mint. I'm going to cut the excess leaves. This pot is called node and there should be at least 4 nodes in a stem. I'm going to use the rest of mint leaves for cooking. At least 2 nodes should go below the soil. I'm going to use a stick to insert the stems. Now it's done. I did the same experiment 3 weeks ago and you can see that the leaves are grown. I did the same experiment 2 months ago and you can see the mint started flowering, so was the coriander. The mint is ready to harvest and you can use this for a long period of time. And you can see the coriander and its flower as well. You can also see that I planted coriander and I also planted wonderberry seeds. For one group of plants I have used compost and the other group of plants I used garden soil. Along with garden soil I used human urine as a nutrition. I diluted the human urine at the ratio of 1:30. In the results, the human urine was way successful than the compost. I only used the human urine at 2 weeks once. Why human urine? Because it's a true organic fertilizer. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe.